Finnovation. Today we're going to be doing a fun Easter craft.
The obvious question is, why are we doing a fun Easter craft?
Because it's going to be excellent.
Finn, I think that may have been your joke.
Oh, great. 2 in 1. Let's get into it. Okay, these are the materials you're going to need. You're going to need a hot glue gun, a few eggs, a plate or some newspaper to put your eggs on that is okay with getting dirty, a few crayons, a pin or a pick. You could probably also use a toothpick or anything sharp enough to crack through an egg, and a hairdryer. Let's get into it. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is get one of our eggs and take a pin or a pick. I'm going to use my pick and poke a little tiny hole in the egg. Perfect. We're going to do that on the top and on the bottom. This is so that we can blow it out. Perfect. Now what we're going to do that we have a hole on the top and the bottom is we're going to get a pin and kind of mix it around in there. This is so that you can get the yolk not as stiff and hard, so it breaks up the yolk and you can blow it out easier. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to go over, get a dish, and just blow it out. I'm not going to show it on camera, but you just put your mouth up to it and blow. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is take our crayons and unwrap them. If they're already unwrapped, great. Once they're unwrapped, get a little piece and just chop it off like this. If you're a kid, ask your parents if you can use a knife. Okay. After we had that off, we have a little piece of crayon. Do that for all the colors that you want. Okay, I just chopped off the rest of the pieces of crayon. So now what we're going to do is get our egg that we blew out, put a little dot of glue, not too much, and just glue on our pieces of crayon all the way around.
Probably should spread these out a little bit more. It'll keep the yellow over a little bit. Perfect. Green.
There we go. Now we're going to get our hair dryer and start to blow them. I'm just going to wait for it to dry. Okay, what we're going to do once we have everything glued on and we're ready, we made this little stand here out of paper. We just folded a piece of paper around so we could have a little stand while we're using our hair dryer. But what we're going to do, the basic idea is we're just going to blow with our hair dryer so the heat melts the crayons and it makes a pretty pattern. We're just going to see how it goes and try it. Wow, that turned out really nice. I like the way all the colors blended together. But if I was going to do this again, I would definitely wear gloves. The hairdryer got really hot on my fingers. This was a really fun craft. I hope you enjoy. Happy Easter.